Yes, now look at the question number 6. Here the diagram is given and some angles are given. You have to decide whether the given two lines are parallel or not. Okay, the first question, we don't know these two lines are parallel or not. Okay, so by using property, just we are going to decide whether the given two lines are parallel or not. So these are the two lines only. L and M are the two lines intersected by a transversal N. It is 126 degree and then it is what? 44 degree. So these two angles are what? Interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So what we know, if co-interior angle on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then we can conclude that these two lines are parallel. If two lines are intersected by a transversal in such a way that co-interior angle on the same side of the transversal is what? Supplementary, then the two lines are what? Parallel. Otherwise these two lines are not parallel. Now first you find the sum of 126 plus 44. 126 plus 44 is what? 170 degree. 126 plus 4 is 130. 130 plus 40 is what, dear? 170 degree. So what we can conclude? The sum of interior angle, the sum of interior angles, the sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree. On the same side of the transversal, on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore these two lines are what? Not parallel. L is not parallel to M. L is not parallel to M. Are you getting here? Therefore line L is not parallel to line M. To line M. Are you getting, children? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? If this co-interior angle on the same side the transversal is 180, then we can conclude that these two lines are what? Parallel. These two lines are what? Parallel. Am I right? Okay. Now, second part. What is the second part for you? These are the two lines. This is a line L. This is a line M. Intersected by a transversal. It is N. It is line N. It is given that it is 75 degree. It is X. It is 75 degree. Now you can able to find the value of X now. X equal to what? 75 degree. Can you tell me why? Vertically opposite angles are equal. VOA. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now what will you do? Once you get the value of 75, these are the two interior angles. Okay. Sum of these two angles is what? 75 plus 75. 75 degree plus 75 degree, which is equal to what? 150 degree. So sum of interior angle on the same side of the transversal is what? Here it is, we are getting as 150 degree. Right? The sum of interior angles, the sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, the sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree. Not equal to 180 degree. The two lines are not parallel. That is line L. So that line L is not parallel to line M, not parallel to line M. Are you getting here? Yes. Shall we move to the third part now? What is the third part for you? It is given that line L and line M intersected by a transversal N. These two lines are not parallel, please keep in mind. Just these are the two lines intersected by a transversal N. It is given that what it is 57 degree it is given. Here it is what 123 degree it is given. Okay, it is 123 degree it is given. Okay, so we will take it as it is X. It is what? X. Now, can you find the value of X now? These two lines are not parallel, right? For what is the, when we can say the vertically opposite angles are equal? If the two lines, just two lines, intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are what? Equal. So we can conclude that X is equal to 57 degree since vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now after that, these two lines are these are the two lines intersected by a transversal. So these two angles are co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. If the sum of co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Supplementary means what? Sum of the two angles should be 180 degree. Then we can conclude that these two lines are parallel. Now we will find the value of X plus 123. So X value is nothing but 57. So 57 plus 123 degree, which is equal to 157 plus 360, 60 plus 120 is 180 degree. But we are getting 180 degree. So what we can conclude here? Yes, the sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is equal to 180 degree. The sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. The sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is equal to 180 degree. It is transversal, same side of the transversal is equal to 180 degree, so that line L is parallel to line M. L is parallel to M. This is simple, right? So always directly you can write L is parallel to M. Okay, are you getting, children? So we completed the chapter lines and angles, and then hopefully Tuesday, that is tomorrow, we will start the next chapter. Are you getting here? That is the triangle and its property. Thank you everybody. Thank you.